Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on Food Chain TV. Here is one of my favorite watermelon party recipes. If you want to impress your party guests, if you want to impress your kids, check this out. Alright guys, let's jump right into this recipe. So we have our watermelon. Let's just cut this guy in half. So now we get all the red flesh and we scoop it out and put it into a bowl. Okay, so you want to end up with the watermelon all empty like this, see? Okay, so here we have our two empty watermelon skins. Okay, I put all the watermelon inside of a bowl. And now we're going to chop this up by putting it in a blender. All right, let's try to get some of this in the blender. Okay, we're going to transfer the puree into a container and then we'll put it into a bowl. And the reason I'm doing this is because you want to keep track of how much liquid you have. Okay, so we're going to keep measuring this. So here's 4 cups. All right, I'm going to fill this up again and we'll just make notes on how much liquid we end up with. This is very important. All right, so we have 16 cups of pureed watermelon, and that's important because for every 2 cups of the watermelon, we're going to add one of these packages of strawberry gelatin. So I'm going to transfer this into our pot. Now I'm using a big wok, but you can use a pot, whatever you want. And we're going to bring this to a simmer. I'm also going to add 8 of these little packages. All right, and this is the 8th package. And I'm just going to whisk this in, just like that. And then we'll wait for it to come to a simmer, just so that we can get the gelatin to dissolve into the watermelon juice. Okay, as soon as you start to see steam come out of this, and you give it a nice stir, that gelatin is pretty much dissolved. So you don't need to actually bring it all the way to a simmer. Just stick your finger in it, and if it's hot enough to burn, it's good enough for the gelatin. And now we're going to let this cool off of the stove for about 30 minutes before we pour it back into the watermelons. Alright, so we've let our gelatin cool down a little bit, and now we're going to do the next step, which is to get a nice tin pan here, and I'm going to curl a towel right in the bottom here so that when I put my watermelon in there, it'll stay put. Alright, so there we go. Now we're going to fill up this watermelon with our gelatin watermelon juice. And this will go into the fridge until tomorrow. Alright guys, here's the best part. We've taken this out of the fridge. The gelatin is set. This is a crazy good dessert, and we are now ready to sugar up some kids. So here we go.
Girls with their nails done.
It was really good and tasty. It was also very sweet and sugary, just how everyone likes it. And yeah, it's a good treat for everyone. And yeah.
Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to help me grow this channel so that I can make more videos like this just for you. And you can do that by subscribing to my channel, by giving this video a thumbs up, and by letting me know how you like this video down in the comment section. Until next time, this is Christian saying, have fun sugaring up your kids.